Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you uh, a plane, a micro model plane. Uh, I don't have much pieces to build a big minifigure scale plane because like big planes is doing that, uh, and his job is really hard. Like you must find 20,000 pieces. Anyways, uh, let's get to the build. Yeah, here's our plane. I modeled the Boeing 777 micro model. You can see that the wing, I used these pieces not for not for movable, not to make it movable, but it will stay like this. And for here too, I used the same piece. I know this different combination, but same function piece. And you can see that the wings are a bit curved like that. Okay, so the wings, I used these pieces to be like flaps and slats. You know, maybe, oh, the motors got wrecked. It's not really easy to do that, but like I can do this, then the flaps are now 0 degrees. It's all so we collected the flaps and we can do the same for here. Then we collected the flaps slats sorry. Now you can see more the motor, and yeah, now the wing is like that, but I can't curve much this because it's stuck in there. So we must open the flaps and slats to curve this. I think I must fix this. This is an error, but yeah, it looks good for me. Maybe not for you, but okay. Let's open the roof. I really worked hard to find these pieces. So if we count, I counted already, I think 26 from these pieces I used. I know the front ones is not the same color, but anyways, 24 from the same these piece and same color. It's really hard, and my old plane is broken. You can see the system then. Okay, I said, yeah, 26 pieces from different colors but same piece, 24 from the same color. You can think that it's really hard to find. Let's open this roof. It's the cockpit's roof. I opened all the roof, and you can see that I used 3 of this piece for cockpit windows, and I don't want to count these pieces. So to make a microplane, it's not hard to make and not hard to think the system. Yeah, the only functions piece is this, and you don't need to move it. Even the flaps and slats are just move the piece in there and it's collected. So it's really easy to make this, but for collecting parts, especially the same parts from, especially same many parts from same parts, is really tough, as you can see. And last one, the motor. It's the easiest part to make. Okay, if you want to see, let me just show you this piece. I made from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piece. I've used 2 Technic pieces, 1 toilet paper piece, and 1 from I used this piece for my first time, really, but it looks not realistic, but it looks good to me. And yeah, the conclusion, making this is really basic, but finding parts is really hard. So I thought that I must make a video. And as you can see, the plane is like that. I don't added a landing gear or something like same as landing gear. Okay, as you can see, we have lights, and yeah, it's that. So guys, no need to take more this video long. Please like and subscribe if you want more like this, but I think I can make another one, especially by not working this, I can't make a new one. Okay, just like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button for new videos. See you next time. Bye bye.